वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 9 द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड हैबिटेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एमसीक्यूज का नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्रीज आर फाउंड इन माउंटेन रीजन? इसका आंसर है ओक, पाइन एंड दियोदर। सेकेंड नंबर, which animal is also known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. Third, which of the following creatures is sea animal? Crab. Fourth, which of the following animal can live both in water as well as land? Frog. Fifth number, which of the following animal do not have stream-like body? Octopus. Sixth number, which of the following animal do not breathe through gills? Well. Seven number, in which of the following terrains is a snow leopard found? Mountain. Eighth number, which of the following creature is found in mountain terrain? Yak. Nine number, which of the following is a biotic component? Mimosa. 10 number, flower of which of the following plant bloom only at night? Lily. 11 number, which of the following is not true for an asopalo tree? It moves. 12 number, which of the following is a nocturnal animal? Rat. 13 number, which organ of a fish helps it to absorb the oxygen dissolved in water? Gills. 14 number, what is the presence of specific feature and habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 1, animal and plant are the biotic component of a habitat. Number 2, land is a biotic component of a habitat. Third number, a fish respires through gills. Fourth number, fish swims with the help of fins and changes its direction with the help of tail. Fifth number, whale respires through its blowholes. Sixth number, when mimosa plant is touched, its leaves close or fold. Seven number, soil, water and air are the abiotic factor of a habitat. Question number 3, answer the following question in one word. Number 1, name 2 animals found in hilly area. Yak and goat. Number 2, in which areas do we find oak, pine and deodar? Mountain. Third number, from where do fish get oxygen for respiration? Oxygen dissolved in water. Fifth number, in which plant is photosynthesis carried out by steam? Cactus. Question number 6, which organ help earthworm to respire? Skin. 7 number, what is the respiratory organ in plant? Leaves. 8 number, in which areas does cactus grow? Desert. Question number 4, true or false? Number 1, cactus plant is found in desert. True. Second number, camel can survive without drinking water for a long time. True. Third number, fish respires through its fins. False. During respiration, the plant absorbs oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. True. Fifth number, during photosynthesis, green plant absorbs carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. True. Sixth number, in a cactus, the steam carries out the process of photosynthesis. True. 7 number, the leaves in mountain plant are either absent, very small, or they are present in the shape of spines. False. 8 number, snake and rat live in burrows. True. Question number 5, answer the following question in one sentence, 1 mark each. Number 1, what do rats and snakes do to escape the intense heat during day? To escape from the intense heat during day, rats and snakes stay in burrows deep in the sand. Second number, what type of trees are found in mountain region? The trees found in mountain region are normally cone-shaped and needle-like leaves. Third number, which feature of a snow leopard protect its feet from the cold when it walks on the snow? Snow leopard has thick fur on its body, including its feet and toes, to protect its feet from the cold when it walks on the snow. Fourth number, what adaptation do the stem of aquatic plant have? The stem of aquatic plant are long, hollow and like moreover they grow up to the surface of water. 5 number, which is absorbed and released during the process of photosynthesis? During the process of photosynthesis, a plant absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. 6 number, what adaptation do the leaves of desert plant have? The leaves in desert plant are either very small, less in number, and transport into spines to reduce water loss by transpiration. 7 number, what adaptation in the feet of frog help it to swim in water? Frog have webbed feet. Frog have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Next number, 8 number, list the type of terrestrial habitat. Number 1, forest. Number 2, desert. Third, grassland. 4, coastal region. 5th, mountain region. Next number, list the type of aquatic plant. Number 1, pond. Second, lake. Third, river. 4, ocean. 5th, marsh area. Question number 6, define adaptation. The presence of a specific feature or certain habitat which enable an organism to live naturally in a place is called the adaptation. Number 2, stimuli. Change in our surrounding that makes us respond is called stimuli. Next number, excretion. Third number, excretion. The process of getting rid of wastes by organism is known as excretion. Fourth number, reproduction. The production of new individuals of similar in form is known as reproduction. Fifth number, habitat. The place where organisms live is called habitat. Question number 7, answer the following question in short. Number 1, state the name of animal and plant that are found in mountain region. Animal found in mountain region: snow leopard, yak, mountain goat, white bear, etc. Plant found in mountain region: oak, pine, and deodar. State the names of animal and plants that are found in desert. Animal found in desert: camel, kangaroo, rat, snake, musk, deer, etc. Plants found in desert: babul, acacia, date, palm, cactus, etc. Third number, how do whale and dolphin breathe? Whales and dolphins do not have gills. They breathe in air through nostril or blowholes that are located on the upper part of their heads. This allows them to breathe in air when they swim near the surface of water. They can stay inside the water for a long time without breathing. They come out to the surface from the time to time to breathe in air. Fourth number, what are adaptation in animal living in mountain region? Adaptation in animal living in the mountain region are as follows. Number 1, they have thick skin or fur to protect them from cold. Second number, snow leopard has thick fur on its body, including feet and toes. This protects its feet and body from the cold when it walks on the snow. यहाँ पे आपका समर नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे आपका आएगा snow. Next number, मतलब third line, the mountain goat has strong hooves for running up the rocky slopes of the mountain. Next number, fifth number, what adaptation of a lion helped him as a predator? So, the following adaptation of a lion helped him as a predator. Number 1, a lion lives in a forest or a grassland, and it is a strong animal that can hunt and eat animal like deer. Second number, its light brown color helps it to hide at dry grassland when it hunts for prey. Third number, the eyes in front of the face allow it to have a correct idea about the location of its prey. Next number, sixth number, what are the adaptations found in deer living in grassland? The adaptations found in deer are as follows. Number 1, it has strong teeth for chewing hard stems of the strong stems of the forest plants. Second number, a deer needs to know about the predator in order to run away from them and not become their prey. So it has long ear to hear movements of predator. Third number, the speed of deer helps them to run away from the predator. 7 number, state the feature of living organisms. Living organisms have the following feature. Number 1, they need food. Number 2, they grow. Number 3, they respond. Number 4, they respond to stimuli. Number 4, they move. Number 5, यहाँ पे number 4 two time हो गया, यहाँ पे number 4, यहाँ पे number 5, यहाँ पे they move आपका number 5 है, they excrete number 6 है, they reproduce number 7 है. Okay. 8 number, is the floating cloud in the sky a biotic or abiotic component? Why? Cloud floating in the sky is abiotic due to the following reason. Number 1, it goes from one place to another due to the action of wind. It cannot move to its own. This is not the feature of a living organism. Second, it does not grow, respire, or eat. It cannot reproduce either. 9 number, How can you say that the periwinkle barmacy plant is living? Periwinkle plant respire, it absorbs carbon dioxide from the pores on its leaves and release oxygen in the atmosphere. Second, it absorbs mineral and water from the soil and use them as food. Third, it grows from sapling to a big plant. For number, new periwinkle plant germinates from periwinkle seed. Hence, we see that periwinkle plant is living. 10 number, is a tree living or non-living? Give reason in support of your answer. Train is non-living due to the following reason. Number 1, train goes from one place to another place. It does so consuming fuel. It cannot go from one place to another on its own. Second, it does not grow with time like living organisms do. Third, it does not require food. Fourth, it cannot reproduce and give birth to a new train. Hence, a train moves, but then too it is non-living. Question number 8. Explain scientific reason. Number 1. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. Number 1. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert because it has adapted itself in order to become fit to live in a desert. Second, camels have long legs which help them to keep their body away from the heat of the sand. Its hooves and soft so they can walk easily on snow. Third, they can live for many days without water and food. Second, cactus grows in desert. Number 1. Cactus have roots that go very deep into the soil for absorbing water. Second, its leaves are very small, less or they are transferred in the spines. This help in reducing loss of water from the leaves through transpiration. Third, photosynthesis in each plant is usually carried out by the stems. Next number, third number. An aeroplane flies in the sky and use petrol as food, then it is non-living. An aeroplane is considered non-living as it cannot fly in the sky on its own like birds do. It cannot engulf petrol on its own. We need to fill petrol in it. It does not respire and also it can not grow or reproduce. Question number 9. Give 2 points or difference. Plant, animal. They cannot move from one place to another. They move from one place to another. Second, they do photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. They cannot do photosynthesis. Respiration, photosynthesis. The process takes place in the both plants and animal. The process takes place in a plant only in the presence of sunlight. Second number, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released process. In this process, second, carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is released in the process. Desert plant, aquatic plant. These have small or less leaves. These have big and hollow palulas. They have roots that go very deep in soil to absorb water. Their roots are much reduced in size. Their main function is to hold the plant in place. Living thing, non-living thing. They eat food, they respire, they move, they grow and they develop. Non-living thing, they don't need food, they don't respire, they do not move and on their own, they do not grow or develop. Question number 10. Classify the following in living and non-living things. Living thing. Car, basil plant, butterfly, sleeping dog, pigeon, lion, sprouted bean, bee. ये जो आपका है वो है बी. उसके बाद आपका है अर्थवॉर्म जिसकी स्पेलिंग है ERTHWORM. नेक्स्ट, नॉन लिविंग थिंग का बस, साइकिल, रेडियो, टेलीफोन, रोबोट, काइट, स्कूटर, क्लाउड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 मैचिंग। डेजर्ट का आपका जाएगा डी, कैमल स्नेक। स्नो माउंटेन रीजन का आपका जाएगा सी, गॉथ याक। कोस्टल रीजन का आपका जाएगा ए, सेल, कॉन्च, सेल, संक। ग्रासलैंड का आपका जाएगा बी, लाइन दियो। फिश का आपका जाएगा बी, गिल्स। अर्थवर्म का आपका जाएगा डी, स्किन। प्लांट्स का आपका जाएगा ए, लीव्स। वेल्थ का आपका जाएगा ई, नॉस्ट्रिल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल, 4 mark each. Number 1, list the adaptation of a camel as a desert plant. Camel has undergone the following adaptation in order to become fit to live in desert. Number 1, camel have long legs and rough soles which help to survive their body from the heat of the sand. Their roof are soft so they can walk easily on sand. They do not sweat, they excrete in small amount of urine. Their dung is dry. Camel lose very little water from their body. Third, they can live for many. So यहाँ पे आपका जाएगा, यहाँ पे आपको जो दिख रहा है देखिए, live for many. So यहाँ पे देखिए live for many days. उसके बाद आएगा days की स्पेलिंग DAYAS. उसके बाद आपका आएगा without वाटर। उसके बाद आपका आ जाएगा एंड फूड, यानी कि मैनी के बाद आएगा मैनी डेज विदाउट वाटर एंड फूड। ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर, स्टेट द एडेप्टेशन ऑफ फिश एज an aquatic plant. The adaptation of a fish as an aquatic plant are as follows. Number 1, the head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body, and the body tapers at both ends. This body shape is called streamline shape. It's such that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water. Second, fish have slippery scales on their body that protect to fish. Third, gills present in this fish help them to use oxygen result in water. Third number, state the adaptation of plant that grows in desert. The adaptation of plant that grows in desert are as follows. Number 1, desert plant have well developed roots that grow deep into the soil for absorbing water. Second, the leaves in desert plant are very small, less in number, or they are transferred into spines. This help in reducing loss of water. Third, the spines in desert plant that protect them from animal. For photosynthesis in each plant is usually carried out by the stems. Number 4, state the adaptation of aquatic plant. The adaptation of aquatic plant are as follows. Number 1, in aquatic plant, roots are much reduced in size and their main function is to be hold the plant in place. Second, the stem of these plant are long, hollow, and like the stem rose up to the surface of water. Third number, the leaves and flower of these plants float on the surface of water. Fourth, some aquatic plants are totally submerged in water. All parts of such plant grows under water. So friends, इसी के साथ आपका ये पार्ट फिनिश होता है। पार्ट क्या आपका ये चैप्टर ही फिनिश हो जाता है। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।